When you look at our food supplies, the majority is For Patriots food, and that's been something that makes us say, okay, come what may, we should be prepared. Our experiences over the years has indicated that we cannot depend on somebody else for survival if things get tough. We ended up putting a lot of our canned goods in the garbage, and we had some other companies that we had dealt with that had food, and we've determined that For Patriots fit our taste buds better than anybody else. We wanted to check the food before we bought it, so we had the free kits that were sent to us. She wanted some soup just recently when it turned cold, and she took a package, and it was delicious. It's in monthly payments that you guys have come up with, and I think that is a way that people can start getting involved and start putting your money into the food and the equipment that you need for storage. And that's why we keep buying For Patriots, is we've had the quality that is acceptable to us, and it's good eating.